Summertime, 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 summertime. Who's going to the beach?
We are Crumb Boss, everybody, going to the beach.
Yeah, the beach. What beach?
Whatever beach you want to go to.
We are making what?
Beach cake.
Beach cake.
Very popular seller during the summertime.
Oh my God,
bakery.
it is so cool.
Yeah, it is real cool.
All right, this is cool.
Okay, so what we start out with is a cake of your choice. You decide if you want half sheet, full sheet, quarter sheet, whatever, however many people you're
How big was
serving.
mine?
Yours was a half sheet.
It was gigantic.
It serves about 50 people.
And you can actually, yes, which is basically my family.
Yeah,
so,
a family of 10.
Yes.
It's your standard beach cake. So,
okay.
What I'm going to start out doing, I need to put a little bit of a border on here.
Uh-huh. And you're using a pastry bag with what kind of tip?
This is a star tip. With
tip.
Some buttercream in it. As you notice, I've iced the cake in blue to represent
the ocean.
The ocean and also the sky. Hey, I ran out of buttercream.
Hey, who did that? That's okay. It's perfect.
Okay.
It looks perfect.
So, what I like to do next...
But wait. Before you do that, what is that little magic thing there? Because when I had that on my birthday cake, I had no idea what it was.
It's so good. A lot of places use brown sugar to represent sand.
Ugh.
I don't know that I want to eat
Ugh.
mouthfuls of brown sugar, but what I do want to eat is mouthfuls of graham cracker crumbs.
Yeah.
So that's what I use for my sand.
Okay.
You know, whatever you want to do, but I use graham cracker crumbs.
Okay, cool. She's making a little sandy beach.
Yeah, a little beach. I like to do it kind of like a little depth perception there.
Well, because you're an artiste.
That's right.
This is nice.
Okay, so there's the beach.
So those are crushed up graham crackers.
Crushed up graham cracker crumbs, yeah.
Are they a certain kind, or they're just like, you know, regular ones? Like, have you ever tried using like cinnamon or honey or anything like that, or no?
Like honey graham cracker crumbs? It's all your preference, really. We just use plain ones because we do use graham cracker crumbs in different recipes, like for graham shells and our s'mores cookie, homemade s'mores cookie that we make here.
Okay.
So pretty much it's that, and then I just have these little decorations, like the umbrella.
Yeah, it's because everybody needs umbrellas so you don't get skin cancer or sunburn or anything. Oh,
And
look at that. And you got the thing coming out. Now, let me ask you a question. Is that buttercream too?
That's buttercream. This is an edible sugar little pop-on that I can buy.
Okay.
It's a little beach ball and a little pail.
Oh, that's cute. Look at it.
And then I like to decorate it with some seashells.
I love seashells. Oh, that's pretty.
Okay, so, what else? Another seashell over here. And then I have these really cute things that I buy. Like, the kids love these. Like, I'll put like a little seahorse and a little clam and a little turtle. It's
amazing just in like a couple of seconds how fast you can make.
Right. And then,
I would have a hard time just like trying to figure out where to put the sand. You know?
So, you know, a lot of people do this for birthdays, and then we'll do inscriptions on there, but I think because this is not for a birthday,
yes,
I'm just going to write, happy summer.
Happy summer. Yes, because it was 102 here in New Jersey the other day, believe it or not. Now look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's really, really pretty.
So
hold that up.
How to decorate a beach cake.
Yes.
By the Crumb Boss.
Okay, so we have a sheet cake. And what kind of sheet cake is it inside?
This one is chocolate cake with chocolate cream filling, and I've iced it with blue buttercream. We've used graham cracker crumbs as the sand.
Okay.
And then you just use little edible decorations like the seashells and the beach ball and the pail and
look at their funny faces.
Yeah, I know. And then you can buy the little plastic pop-ons at any store.
Happy summer.
But happy summer, everybody.
Happy summer,
Crumb Boss Factory, Chatham, New Jersey.